What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and this is our new WordPress theme called Canva WordPress theme. And into this video you're gonna learn how to install it, okay? From the purchase process to the installation. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, okay? After this, let's go to the installation process, okay? First thing, go to visualmodo.com website, right here, visualmodo.com, and find the Canva theme right here. On homepage, we have the view more. Click on it. Then you can see the live preview or click on buy now. You're going to be redirected to these two options. You can purchase the Visualmodo Pass or the Canva WordPress theme all alone, all up to you, okay? If you purchase the Visualmodo Pass, you're going to get all our WordPress themes, okay? Then you're going to need to enter your name, your email, you're going to need to create a password, and in the case that you have, you can enter a coupon code, okay? Just like this. Having placed your order, you're going to be able to see a page like this one right here, okay? You can go to view downloads button, and here is your theme to download. Click on download. You're going to start the download on your computer, nothing to worry yet. Then go to a WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, but before, go to browser, enter your domain plus wp-admin, do the login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over appearance and hit the sub-menu themes. Once on themes, click on add new and click on upload theme and choose file. But before we click on choose file, let's open my computer. Here is my downloaded folder. As you can see, it's the Canva master. You can download, you can install this file yet. You have to open it, click on theme files and extract the Canva. So click, drag and drop, for example, in my downloads. So this is the file that I'm gonna be installing, okay? Choose file, select Canva, click on install now. Theme is already installed, and all you have to do is click on activate. You can begin installing the plugins, and we have the one-click demo import to be installed, okay? And that is, in the case that you want to enter your theme license, you can go back to the Visualmodo dashboard and go to license keys in the case that you want a key, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!